Hello teachers and trainers! So tonight you'll learn how to embed your interactive Google slide into an OBS scene that looks like this. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to download and install the OBS software. It's available for Windows and Mac. Launch it. After installation, what you can do here is just hit cancel and go to settings and let settings up first. Audio, select default and select the microphone that you want. And for video, if you have 1920, just select 1280 by 720. Apply. Okay. Now we're ready to set up our scene. So I will call this picture frame. I will add the background by selecting image, background, click OK. Select unload image, click unload image when not showing, browse, and go to your assets folder and select this background. Click open, click OK. As you can see, the background image is larger than the canvas, so what you need to do is resize it to fit the canvas by right clicking, transform, fit to screen, and lock it in place. Let's add the picture frame by clicking plus, image, type in picture frame 3, click OK. Make sure to click unload image when not showing, browse, and select the picture frame. Open, click OK. Let's add the camera next. So click add, video capture device, call it camera. OK. Wait for it to load. Select the camera that you want to use for this scene. Make sure to select deactivate when not showing. I set my FPS type to custom, and I will select 1280 by 720 for my resolution. Color range set to full. Okay. Looks like this now. Let's move our camera behind the picture frame to add a group. Clicking add group. For this group or camera, click OK. And place the camera inside the group. And drag that group under the picture frame. We'll then add a mask filter on the group by right clicking, filters, add mask. Okay. Select browse and select this picture mask. So anything inside the white area will show on the canvas. Close. Size it. When you're happy with it, and lock it in place. Looks like this. Now, if you want to add chroma key effect and add a background, you can do it by removing the green. Green behind you or any color. If you want to find out how to remove other colors, go to my first YouTube tutorial and I'll put the link in the description below. So what you want to do is to add chroma key, click OK, and that removes the green curtain or the green background. You can clean it up by adjusting the similarity up and smoothness down. So that should do. looks like this. Now I'll add my background by clicking add image, nature 3, click OK, browse, image, okay, let's move the background behind the camera, so it looks like this. When you move out of the camera, you can see the background image is there. So back in place. Now let's add our Google Slides into our presentation. We do this by clicking add, window capture. But before we do this, we have to first open our Google Slide. Next, let's add in the sources panel, add window capture, and we will call this Google Slides. Hit OK. In the window drop down, select Google Slide, copy of making inferences. So it looks like this. Capture method, select the third option, window graphic capture. For window match priority, select the third option too. Click OK. Move it here. Hold down the Alt key. Click and drag the edge. Okay. Keep doing it. Do it all 4 edges. That looks good. Then resize it. There you have it. Now we will just add the other elements or images to spice things up. You can use the arrow keys to move a picture up, down, left, or right. Now to run this scene on Zoom, we will need to download the OBS Virtual Cam. Download the installer. Click Finish. Open your OBS software and let's see if the Virtual Cam got installed. So go to Tools and Virtual Cam should be available. What you can do, click Start to start broadcasting your scene. So in Zoom, select OBS camera. To do a screen share, let me minimize my Zoom application. Right click on the canvas, select windowed projector. We will be using this windowed projector as a camera on Zoom. What we want to do is to click share screen and select windowed projector. Click share computer sound, share, and this is what your students are going to see. When you move an answer, your students will also see you manipulate the answers in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this video. In our next episode, we will embed Padlet into this OBS scene. To get notification when I push this out, please hit the notification and subscribe button. And if you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you, and you have a good day.